Want to see what we got in the garage?
Yeah.
What do we got? We got special delivery. We got a tire machine and a balancer. The one off of Amazon. All right. That's a 680, and that's the 960 with 960 with the arms. How am I gonna get them off? I don't know. I'll have to find a way. And I got a bead blaster from Harbor Freight. Woo! Yeah. How are we gonna get those down? They're probably pretty heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. You trying to help me?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're getting sketchy here. Oh, that's a pretty good idea. Well, I guess we'll see how it works out, huh? The idea is I'm going to be behind, hold the strap, keep it steady, push it off the top, and hopefully that board contacts the ground and it'll slide it down. That board goes like kind of far up. Yeah, I mean, hey, let's get it done. Right. Exactly how I planned. Doesn't look like much. At least that's spelled right. Miata. Alright, this balancer. Bolted there. Got 2 bolts, one there and one back there. And then I'll walk it out. Yeah, barely held on. One down. And that's the wheel balancer, 680. Whatever this says. Yep. I gotta get ready for an egg hunt. The 960 tire machine. This is what you get. This is all what is wrapped up on a pallet. Right, looks like we got an arm here. We got this thing we need to bolt on. The base is right over here. This is just garbage. This bag also came with the tire machine. Alright, so some assembly required, and I'm gonna move it and put it over there. I put the main arm, I guess this is like an air tank, so this thing fills up there. There's a fitting that comes on that, which if you look down in here, I took the side panel off too. If you look down in here, there's a loose air hose. You're gonna have to hook that up. I guess put it on first and then fish it on, but I also took the bolts out of this side panel just to make it a little bit easier. And this line, I assume is going to go here. This is for the other 2 arms, which are here for lifting them up and down. Pretty sure I'm all set up here. All right, the part that probably hardest is, you gotta screw your pressure gauge on here. You had to spin in your bead blaster, which I'm not gonna trust this thing. That's why I got a separate one. But hey, whatever, that's there. A bunch of lines that come out the back. So there's that line I showed that's in here. I put it up in the fitting in this tube. There's one that came out here, which was hooked up to the pedal, which is for the bead blaster or bead seeder. And then with these arms, so this arm had this coming off of it, and there's a fitting up here are fitting down here, and then it is plumbed into here, and I did that based on the length of these lines, so I hope it's correct. And I'm gonna give it some air. It's already got power, before I tuck it back in there, and we'll see how it works. Plug this in, this worked, came with all this stuff. The instruction manuals are pretty useless, hard to understand, but otherwise went together fairly easily. That's it, right off Amazon, right to your door. Not bad.